One new T-Jaw Model 600 vertical variable speed bandsaw with stationary table, made in Taiwan. Featuring 12 inches of height under blade guide. "24 inches between band and column. Variable blade speed from 82 to 1,496 feet per minute. Blade width from 1/8 to 1 inch. 29 by 26 table size. Tilting table. 2 horsepower motor, complete with 223 phase electrics. Net weight of 1,474 pounds. Complete with blade welder, shear, grinder, work light, chip blower, rip fence, rubber bonded saw wheels.